In this video, I'll show you how to enable primary account on your PS5. It can be done in less than 30 seconds. So let's get started. So from the main menu here, you're going to go in the settings, okay? Top right corner, this icon, click on it. Then go down and select users and accounts. Then you need to go all the way down and select other. And finally, select the first option, which should be console sharing and offline play. From here, okay, you need to select enable down below. Click on enable. Wait a few seconds here, and you're gonna get this message. You've enabled console sharing and offline play on this PS5. And even if, let's say, you are on another console and that console does not have PlayStation Plus, but you have PlayStation Plus, it will be able to share it, okay? It's not only games. So once you're here, just press OK, and this is about it. You can go back and start sharing. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment down below if it worked for you, and if you have other tips regarding your PS5, share them as well. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful. Have a nice day.